Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting practical. Charge the watch to about 50% and back up its settings now, because you may reset or replace hardware. Once done, power off and remove the strap. This gives access and prevents damage. Next, visually inspect charging pads and ports for corrosion. If you see debris, gently clean with isopropyl and a soft brush. Make sure to work on a clear surface, wear an ESD strap, and keep small containers for screws so nothing gets lost. You now open the case carefully. Choose the right pry tool and move slowly along the seam so the screen remains intact. Once inside, photograph each step and label screws. This prevents mistakes when reassembling. Disconnect the battery connector before touching other components, then inspect flex cables and solder joints for loose connections or corrosion. If the battery is swollen or the charger pad is lifted, replace those parts with exact spec components. Do not improvise, because incorrect parts cause failures or hazards. You finish by carefully reassembling. Reseat ribbon cables and ensure connectors click. Use fresh adhesive and the proper gasket so water resistance is restored. Once sealed, power on and run basic diagnostics. Check touch, heart rate, GPS, and charging. If everything looks good, restore your backup and pair to your phone, then run sensor calibration routines. If the device does not boot or behaves erratically, try recovery or DFU mode to reflash firmware. If that fails, that one key troubleshooting tip is to stop and consult authorized service to avoid irreversible damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.